The BTR-MDM Rakushka, a versatile amphibious armored personnel carrier, plays a critical role in the Russian airborne forces' modernization efforts. On December 6, 2024, Countermeasures, a subsidiary of Rostec's high-precision systems holding, confirmed the completion of its 2024 State Defense Order with the delivery of upgraded BTR-MDM units. This milestone marks another step in Russia's commitment to refining its military capabilities, informed by operational legends and technological advancements. The BTR-MDM Rakushka is an upgraded successor to the BTR-D, designed to meet the dynamic demands of modern airborne and amphibious operations. Sharing key components with the BMD-4M and BMP-3M, the Rakushka features a 500 horsepower UTD-29 diesel engine, robust transmission, and reinforced suspension. It can traverse rugged terrain at speeds of up to 70 km per hour and is fully amphibious, achieving water speeds of 10 km per hour with twin water jets. The vehicle is equipped with two machine guns, a remotely operated 7.62mm or 12.7mm weapon, and a manually operated 7.62mm gun. Enhanced protection features include upgraded armor to withstand small arms fire and shell fragments, the naked cast system to reduce thermal and radar signatures, the main guard upper hemisphere protection kit to guard against aerial threats, integrated nuclear protection and fire suppression systems. Additional upgrades in 2024 addressed vulnerability exposed in Ukraine, incorporating night vision devices for drivers and electronic warfare systems targeting drones. The BTR-MDM has a two-person crew and can transport 13 troops or specialized cargo, such as 6 stretchers for medical evacuations. Troops access the vehicle via a rear hatch and roof hatches, ensuring rapid deployment under combat conditions. The Rakushka's chassis has been adapted for specific roles. The MRUD radar variant detects and tracks up to 100 low and medium altitude targets at ranges of 40 km, transmitting data to man-pass operators. The MPD air defense control variant supports broader air defense networks, detecting targets at ranges of up to 150 km and supporting 4 workstations with integrated Baranotti systems. Introduced into service in 2016, the BTR-MDM has become a staple of the Russian airborne forces. Approximately 90 units were operational by early 2024, but conflict in Ukraine has highlighted both its capabilities and vulnerabilities. Open sources intelligence suggests at least 45 units have been destroyed, damaged, abandoned, or captured, reflecting its extensive use in high-risk operations. The vehicle's amphibious capabilities and air-drop compatibility make it indispensable for rapid response and multi-domain operations. Its deployment in Ukraine underscores its role in contested environments, where mobility, protection, and adaptability are crucial. The BTR-MDM exemplifies the Russian military's focus on rapid mobility and operational versatility. Designed for airborne forces, it supports troop transport, logistical supply, medical evacuation, and specialized combat roles. Its adaptability makes it suitable for a range of missions, from large-scale conflicts to peacekeeping and counterinsurgency operations. In modern warfare, where asymmetric threats and drone technology dominate, the BTR-MDM's electronic warfare systems and enhanced armor are vital. Its ability to integrate a broader air defense network further reinforces its strategic importance. Comparison to regional competitors, the China ZBD-03 Airborne Infantry Fighting Vehicle. The ZBD-03 is China's equivalent to the BTR-MDM, offering similar airdrop and amphibious capabilities. However, the ZBD-03 prioritizes firepower with a 30mm cannon, whereas the Rakushka focuses on troop transport and modularity. The United States Striker ICV. While the Striker lacks amphibious capabilities, it excels in network warfare and urban combat scenarios. The BTR-MDM's amphibious nature and electronic warfare enhancements give it an edge in literal and contested environments. The NATO Boxer CRV. The Boxer is highly modular with superior protection and firepower compared to the Rakushka. However, its larger size limits deployability in airborne operations, a key strength of the BTR-MDM. Production of the BTR-MDM continues under defense contracts, with deliveries planned into 2025. Future upgrades could focus on enhanced drones integration for reconnaissance and combat support, AI-driven systems for improved situational awareness and targeting, modular weapon systems to adapt to evolving battlefield requirements. The BTR-MDM Rakushka remains a cornerstone of Russia's airborne strategy, balancing mobility, protection, and versatility. While it faces stiff competition from regional counterparts, its amphibious and airdrop capabilities ensure its relevance in modern conflict scenarios. As technology and warfare evolve, the Rakushka's adaptability and continued upgrades will determine its long-term role in the Russian military arsenal.